everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day no matter your situation or location. In this video, I'm kind of keeping it simple and I'll be showing you how to make an avocado toast with smoked salmon. This is one of my favorite recipes that takes me really only 5 minutes, so I hope you enjoy. First, I'm going to start out with the longest part of this recipe, which is toasting my bread. I just toasted on high heat for about 2 minutes per side. I make sure to use good bread from my local bakery, but use whatever you have on hand. And then I kind of smushed my avocado on the outside to get it to be a little bit less firm, and then I just cut it in half like that. I don't really know how to explain how to cut an avocado, but I just cut it in half. And after I cut it in half, I cut into really, really thin slivers before I scooped it out. To store my avocado, I just normally cover it with a little bit of lemon juice and some plastic wrap. After slicing my avocado, I then took my slices out of my pan, and then I added my avocado on top. Now with this recipe, I just added it on top, and then I kind of just spread it around to make it look a little bit fancy. But honestly, if you like it mashed so it can get on like all sides of your bread, that's also totally okay. I do that sometimes too. I just wanted to make it look a little bit prettier this time for all of y'all. Something that I'm beginning to love is the Scottish style salmon. It's kind of like Nova Scotia salmon. It just has a higher fat content, so it's a lot more silky and fatty than regular Nova Scotia, which I really enjoy. And for the first time in my life, I'm actually using everything but the bagel seasoning. So I kind of put that in between my avocado and my smoked salmon layer before adding a little bit more on top. So this is what my final, like I said earlier, this is my favorite meal on the go. So I will normally just take this piece of avocado toast and eat it while I'm leaving the door. So it's super quick and super delicious. As you can see, you don't need to be a pro to make avocado toast. This is just an easy recipe I make in the morning when I'm honestly rushing out of the house. So I hope you enjoyed. Please sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.